Yeah, in this question on algebra processes on Surds, we are told that if x is 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus root 2, we are to evaluate 2x squared minus 2x. So we can just go ahead directly and put in the value for x into this particular expression and open our bracket and solve algebraic wise to see what the solution is going to give us. So we can say, given that x is equal to 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus root 2. Okay, we want to find 2x squared minus 2x. But I can even say, okay, maybe s is common. Let's just substitute the values of s and see what we're going to get here. So that will be 2 multiplied by x squared will now be 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 minus root 2. All of this raised to power 2 because this is x, then minus 2 multiplied by 1 over 2 of 1 minus root 2. Alright, so if I were to try and solve this, these two I'm still writing. The square of this 1 over 2 raised to power 2 will become 1 over 4. Okay, then 1 minus root 2 raised to power 2 will be 1 minus root 2 multiplied by 1 minus root 2. Okay, so then that's the first entry minus these two, and these two can cut themselves, so we still have only 1 minus root 2 remaining for this second expression. All right, so here I can just say this 2 here 1, this 2 in 4 is 2. So what I'm having is 1 over 2 multiplying the product of 1 minus root 2 times 1 minus root 2. So we can take this piecewise. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times minus root 2 is minus root 2. Okay. Minus root 2 times 1 is minus root 2. Then minus root 2 times minus root 2. First, we have two negative numbers. The product of two negative numbers will be a positive number. Then root 2 times root 2 is the same as if you're having 2 raised to power 1 over 2 times 2 raised to power 1 over 2. And by loss of indices, we just take 1, 2, and we say half plus half, and that is 2 raised to power 1. So this is 2, meaning that root 2 times root 2 is nothing but 2. Okay, so let me just clear my rough working. So this here is 2, and I can close the bracket. Then minus times 1 will be minus 1. Minus times minus root 2. The two negative numbers will multiply. So this will be plus root 2. Okay. So here we can just see that what we have is 1 over 2 multiplied by 1 plus 2 here is 3. Okay. Then minus root 2 will give us minus 2 root 2. Okay. Then minus 1 plus root 2. I think our work is getting done now. So if we want to expand this, this will be half times 3 will be 3 over 2. Half times 2 root 2. These 2 and these 2 will cut. So we have minus root 2. Okay. Then we have here minus 1. Then we have plus root 2. Look at this. Minus root 2 plus root 2. Those will cut out. So we have 3 over 2 minus 1. And we can just say we want to find the LCM, which will be 2. 2 in 2 is 1. 1 times 3 is 3. Minus, this is 1, which is also 1 over 1. 2 divided by 1 is 2. 2 times 1, that will be 2. So this will be nothing but 3 minus 2 is 1. And we have 2 as the denominator. So all these expressions, all these that we're asked to evaluate, look at how it's just easily simplified for us, and our solution is 1 over 2. All right.